mobile failed to connect to experience. Works for Android and iOS. Roblox Error Code 2 usually appears when your device can't connect to the game's servers. This is mostly caused by network issues, corrupted app data, or outdated system files. Try these fixes step by step. 1. Restart your internet. Most effective. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds. Turn it off and reconnect. Try joining the experience again. Number 2. Clear Roblox app cache, Android only. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Roblox. 2. Tap Storage. 3. Press Clear Cache. 4. Restart your device. Number 3. Reset Roblox app data, Android. Settings, Apps, Roblox, Storage, Clear data. iPhone, Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Roblox, Offload app, reinstall. Tab 4. Update Roblox to the latest version. Go to the Play Store, App Store, and update Roblox. Many Error Code 2 bugs happen on old versions. Tab 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Roblox blocks unstable or suspicious networks. Turn off VPN and try again. 6. Switch network. Try a different Wi-Fi connection or switch to mobile data. Avoid public Wi-Fi. 7. Reset network settings. Android settings system reset options. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. iPhone settings general. Transfer or reset. Reset network settings. This fixes DNS and connectivity issues instantly. 8. Reinstall Roblox, delete Roblox completely, and reinstall it fresh. This removes corrupted files that cause code 2. If nothing works, Roblox servers might be unstable or under maintenance. Check here, Down Detector Roblox.